So we believe that there's a need for protein diversity, right? So there's the food system, the way we currently farm and distribute and process and consume meat is actually bad for the environment, and that includes the need for real meat will never go away. However, there is going to be a way through lab-grown or cultivated meat. There's a way to have really clean meat that's grown, and that's going to be available as another option for protein diversity. The real problem right now, of course, is that the so-called growth medium is very, very expensive. So the way that you grow those cells, they need to have some kind of medium in which they can grow into the steak or into the chicken fillet. And those are extremely expensive. So we actually are running a price-based challenge whereby we invite innovators from around the world to come up with solutions. And we're doing this together with the GFI of the United States, the Good Food Institute. And we're coming up with solutions to reduce the cost of that growth medium. And we believe that once those barriers are removed, this kind of meat may well be another protein alternative besides regular meat and plant-based meat and all the other different ways to feed the population.
Andy, that is fascinating. Let me also ask you about seaweed protein that is also possible to be used for the market. I think that's not a huge leap for most people who already eat sushi.
Yes, that's true. There's a lot of in the European Union. We're very much focused on algae and seaweed and finding alternative aquaculture. So one of the focus areas at EIT Food is sustainable aquaculture, and a major piece in that is algae. And there are many different startups. One of them in particular in Greece, a company called Salmea, that's making algae products like omega and protein alternatives grown in a smaller footprint. Normally, algae and seaweed growth is done in very large pools, but there is a way to shrink that footprint. In the previous your previous report just talked about vertical farm and shrinking the footprint. That's exactly what we're looking at as well. And yes, you're absolutely right. Seaweed, algae, those are excellent alternatives as well, as are many others. So there's probably about 8 to 10 different technologies that can be and will be applied in the future to feed the growing population so that they have an alternative to go and feed themselves the proteins that they need so sorely.
Hi, I'm Joanna Bersecci, and thank you for watching. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thank you for watching.